Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class we are going to discuss about Windows Screen Object friends. Okay, the Windows Screen Object contains information about user's screen. Okay, total screen friends. Windows Screen Object contains information about user's screen. Let us discuss about these methods. So you can always exclude this window. Okay, there is nothing happens if you exclude and write directly screen dot width. You can also write it as window dot screen dot width like that also. Okay, for short code you can write like this screen dot width directly by excluding window dot, right. So screen dot width, what it will do is it returns the width of the visitor's screen in pixel, in pixels. How many pixels width of that screen. Okay, so that in the earlier class we saw that uh, browser width. Okay, so window size we had saw here, window size. Okay, now we are seeing a screen. Now screen dot height, it returns the height of visitors screen in pixels, height in pixels, screen height. And then screen avail width means available width, returns the width of the visitor screen in pixels minus interface features like the Windows taskbar. So if Windows taskbar like that interfaces will present, then it will minus the pixels that allocated to Windows taskbar, then it will returns the width, net width of the visitor's screen like that, height also. And then color depth. Color depth means the number of bits used to display one color. So for representing one color on the screen, how many bits our system is using, that information will be given friends. And the pixel depth also the same thing, pixel depth of the screen. So let us demonstrate all these methods. Let's switch over to the VS Code and the corresponding browser here. This time I had erased all, I had commented out all the code from here to here to avoid confusion. So we are dealing with the browser object model, so no need of this code. Just I had written only one heading code, h1 code, that's it. So in the script we can write screen dot width. Okay, width. And we can store it in variable some x. Okay, and now the screen dot width, that means this screen width will be stored in the x variable. And then if you want to print out that x variable to the document, then document dot write of the x. Okay, the content in the x will be written to the document. Just see here, I am writing, I am saving it. Here you can see 1536 the number came. What that number represent is pixels. This much of pixels is the width of the screen, 1536. Earlier we had saw the window width and window height, but this time it is presenting screen width. No matter I am increasing or decreasing, it will display the same thing. Here now I am resaving, saving, it is refreshing, then also it is standard 1536 pixels. But in the case of window width, if I resize this window, then that actual width will be taken into the account. So that is the difference friends. Okay, and then like that, let me put it side by side for better understanding. So that is the width and height, height. So for now we will see the height part. Okay, now I am saving it. Now you can see the height is 864 pixels. Okay, 864 pixels is the height of the screen. Okay, friends, and next same like that, avail uh, width. Avail width means available width, eh, excluding the taskbar, Windows taskbar if it presents. Okay, so I am saving it again 1536 because there is no taskbar here. Okay, so and then like that, avail h height. Okay, now I am saving again, the height is 864 only. And then what next? Color depth and pixel depth. Okay, color depth, screen dot color depth. Color depth means for representing a single color, how many bits are being used. Okay, so I am saving here. You can see 24 bit, 24 bits are being used to represent a color. Like that, pixel depth also. Pixel, I am saving, no change. Pixel depth is also 24 only. Like this, we can access the browser's properties. Okay, these are all screen width, screen height, pixel depth, color depth. All these things are related to the browser parameters. Okay, so in this class we had discussed about the screen object, friends, and in the next class we will discuss the other BOM methods. Till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.